revenues minus cost, right? So you have to understand how to get revenues, what are the costs. आप एक चाय की दुकान पर भी बैठ जाओगे तो आप बहुत सीख सकते हो। कितने की चाय बनती है, कितने कप रोज बिकते हैं, उसका कितने पर कप का चार्ज है, कितने बिस्किट बिकते हैं, कितना टोटल डेली टर्नओवर है, उसमें कितना दूध लगा, कितनी चीनी लगी, कितना किराया लगा दुकान का, ये वो करके व्हाट इज द डेली प्रॉफिट, हाउ इट ऑल वर्क्स, वेयर डज ही बाय इट फ्रॉम, वेयर डज द मिल्क कम फ्रॉम, व्हेन डज ही गेट द मनी फॉर इट, हाउ डज ही डू इट, हाउ कैन ही मेक मोर मनी, कैन ही सेल सैंडविचेस देयर, आई डोंट नो, इज द लोकेशन नॉट गुड, आर पीपल नॉट कमिंग बिकॉज लोकेशन इज नॉट देयर। एक चाय की दुकान से भी आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो। इसलिए जब भी कोई बिजनेस देखो, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार यहाँ पैसा बनता कैसे है, कहाँ से अंदर आता है पैसा, और इनके खर्चे क्या क्या है। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल न्यूज़ पेपर, हाउ मच न्यूज़ पेपर कॉस्ट, 2-3 रुपीज, करेक्ट? You know how much it costs to make a newspaper these days? 15-20 rupees. Did you know this? They sell you for 2 rupees, they are making for 20 rupees. How are they making money? Advertisements. Where are the ads coming from? How much it is? What are the numbers like? You can get all this information on the internet, but you have to have curiosity for it. Because आप comfortable हो जाओगे इस चीज़ से, तो कल को आपको अपना कोई काम करना पड़ा, चाहे छोटा सा भी करना पड़ा, तो आपको बहुत काम आएगा। अगर आपका कोई पैशन भी है तो उसको आपको बिजनेस तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो पैशन मर जाएगा। पैशन को कभी ना कभी तो पैसे कमाना ही है, वो रियलिटी है, राइट? रोटी पानी तो आपको कमाना ही है। सो फॉर दैट नॉलेज ऑफ मनी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर MBA स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर पीपल हु आर डूइंग डिग्री इन दैट सब्जेक्ट। हर इंडियन यूथ को मनी एंड रनिंग अ स्मॉल बिजनेस की नॉलेज आज की डेट में होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। दैट इज़ ट्रू एम्पावरमेंट and it's not very difficult. Like I said, you go to a railway station, you will see 10 businesses. So just make friends who have interest in business. Don't feel that I can't be a businessman. The biggest people in this world are businessmen. Ultimately नौकरी कर करके कितना कर लो, right? So that's something there. What is the first thing I said? Easy. Second, third, fourth. Okay. So we come to the last. Is marketing. Okay, again I said it's not only for people to do a marketing course that they have to learn marketing, and it's not even the marketing that you can learn from a course I'll talk about. Marketing is able to sell ideas. आपका कोई आइडिया आप किसी को कन्विंस कर सकते हो कि नहीं? कैन यू कन्विंस कि ऐसे कर लो यार, और लोग मान जाएंगे यार। Persuasion power, can you sell yourself? When people meet you, do they feel कि यार इस बंदे को अपने साथ रखते हैं, ये मेरे काम आएगा, ये मेरे काम में मेरी हेल्प करेगा। That skill you have to develop. इंडिया के कल्चर में थोड़ी शाइनेस है। हमारे कल्चर में ऐसे अच्छा नहीं मानते लोग जाके बोले यार मैं बड़ा कमाल का काम करता हूँ, अच्छा नहीं मानते। Obviously, bragging is not good, but थोड़ा थोड़ा एक स्किल है कि एक ये तरीका है कि मुझसे बेहतर तो कोई आया नहीं आज तक, मेरे को रख के देख लो। और एक है कि मुझे लगता है आप जो करते हो मैं उसमें आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को इसमें काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है, मैं अच्छा लूँ। नाउ दिस सेकंड स्टेटमेंट डजंट साउंड सो ब्रैगिंग, बट दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जो कुछ बोलेगा ही नहीं शर्म के मारे, तो वो नोटिस कैसे होगा, लोग आपको समझेंगे कैसे? तो शाय नहीं होना, आपके पास जो स्किल्स हैं जो हैं वो क्लियरली बता दो। कुछ चीज़ों में शाइनेस ठीक है, लड़कियों से बात करने में शाइनेस है, कोई बात नहीं, मम्मी पापा ध्यान देते हैं इससे, कभी ना कभी तो हो ही जाएगा, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो भी ज़िंदगी कट जाएगी। बट इन योर करियर, इफ यू आर सीरियस, इफ यू डिड रेज योर हैंड इन बीइंग सक्सेसफुल, यू हैव टू लर्न टू सेल योरसेल्फ। वन डे आई हैड टू गो एंड से कि प्लीज़ ये मेरी आप बुक पढ़ लो, आई थिंक यू लाइक इट। And 9 different publishers said no. For 2 years I was going around telling people, please read, please see, please see. And even then later, to get a movie made on that book, initially I had to work very hard. It's something you have to do little bit. But it doesn't mean you come across as bragging. Doesn't mean you are not down to earth. But there is no harm. अगर आपको कोई काम अच्छा आता है और उसकी दुनिया को ज़रूरत है, तो बताने में कोई हर्ज नहीं, right? So the people who did Rangoli for my books. Thank you very much. किसने किया? Who did it? You guys did it. So thank you so much. And you know, people need to just say that we've done this. It's okay, you know, because it's good work, and good work must be recognized. So, what is the first thing I said? Second, third, fourth, and fifth. You will. These are practical tips. I didn't want to tell you things like, you know, determination and ये वो बड़ा मुश्किल है. These are things specific. इस पे आप काम कर सकते हो खुद से. You know, I'm not saying inborn होता है ये सारी चीजें, like I said, it is if you do build these things, कहीं ना कहीं लाइफ में पहुंच जाओ. And then it won't seem like an accident, जैसे यहाँ था, you know, then it's not. And of course, some of you will go very far, and some of you go medium far. But if you put your heart and learn these things, and develop these qualities, more than these are not things to be learned. A lot of these are qualities you have to develop with practice. Then you will get far in life. If you're going to put it up in your room, yeah. So this is just, you know, my quick summary. Like I said, I like to keep things simple and very practical. And this is where I want to end my formal talk. But I want to talk to you and take questions and ask, because what's on your mind I need to know, so I can then help you with answers to that. But this was my formal talk, and thank you, sir, Jain, for having me here. And really pleasure to see such a wonderful crowd. Thank you. Now for questions. Thank you. For questions, we have some mics.
So mics are ready.
Mics are ready, volunteers are ready. And what are they?
Actually, as you have been speaking, there have been a lot many questions that have been arousing in the students' mind, and they are collected in those sheets.
Okay.
Anyone you would like to pick?
It's like a lucky draw.
I'll read it out for you.
Okay. And name of the person asking.
Exactly, sir. This question is from Iti Goel, and the question is, success is based on performance, luck, or capability?
Success is based on performance, luck, or capability. It is based on all three, of course, right? But luck you don't control. Nobody. Luck by definition means I don't control, right? Capability, little bit you control. You can develop capability, and performance and hard work is something you can completely control. So from your point of view, you forget about luck. Yes, luck is important, but you can't say कि हमें कुछ नहीं करना, luck पे rely करें. It's like 3 legs of a table, you know, and 2 legs you can make. The third leg, God will give you or not give you, you don't know. But the 2 legs you have to make or not. Even if God sends you that 1 leg, if the 2 legs are not there, करोगे क्या? So it doesn't, you know, nobody knows that.
Thank you so much, sir. May I request the same person, Iti Goel, to stand up? Iti Goel. This question is from Shubham Rastogi. Kindly stand, please. Shubham Rastogi, yes, your question. Do you think that the present education is preparing students to face the challenges of being successful individuals? And what are the parameters of accessing success?
It's almost like on my talk. No, I don't think so. I think the education system cannot equip you to be successful. It can give you some tools, but it's not all the tools. It's a full toolkit you need. And of course, education system, I'm not saying it's not important and you should not be educated, but it's not enough to give you the full. That's why develop qualities outside the classroom if you are serious about being successful. Yeah. You only need that.
The next question is from Sakshi Kansal, VSP, and the question is.
You can be there.
And question is, what do you think distinguish you from other authors of your time? What makes you most renowned writer in India?
I can't, you know, it's very difficult for me to answer that question. A lot of it is luck. I was there at the right time. A lot of it is, I think, I have the ability to connect with people. I think it's there inborn in me that I'm able to connect with a lot of people, and it shows in my writing also. but nobody really knows the reason because a lot of luck is involved also.
Thank you, sir.
I basically have my own question, sir. So you have been listing out those 5 points. I'll definitely remember those. But one important factor is time. How to maintain a balance between the path we are proceeding on and to learn all those things which are required in present day world.
Yeah, and I think time management is again eventually the biggest leaders in the world. What are they doing? They are doing time management only. It's not like the top guy in a company or even the people who are running the top guy is not actually doing the work. He's not running the factory. He's not doing the marketing. Keep a balance between fun and work, and then work divide. But in fun, I'm finding one of these things that is bothering me these days is too much Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook, but you cannot be more than half an hour a day. I'm sorry, I know you guys love to be there 3-4 hours a day, but it's like being in a party because all your friends are there. So it's like standing in a party for 4 hours a day. Anybody who stands in a party for 4 hours a day, can he be successful? No. Half an hour is okay. No more.
Come on, a round of applause. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, good.
Thank you so much, sir. Let's have a photograph also at the same time.
अरे आप मुझसे मुझो.
Alright, we have another set of questions.
I'll come to you. Wait. What's happening? 3 different questions. Okay, now
One at a time, please.
Give you time.
We will be there with Imdad Sharma. His question is, alright, sir, I will join a B school in June 2012. What can I do in 2 years which make me extraordinary than other students?
I think you should learn English very fluently. I think you should have a very good quantitative basis so that you can help you in the exam. So you should start practicing a lot of quantitative problems, and I think a lot of confidence in English. And thirdly, figure out what you want to do in life, because when you have your MBA interviews, they will ask you what you want to do in life, and you have to give them a good, genuine answer. Yeah.
Question is, behind your every book, what's your imagination?
One is some are coming from my own life. So 5.1 and 2 states have come from my own life. And then the other books are coming from my travels and people I'm meeting, like Revolution 2020 is starting from a talk I have given somewhere, like this one only. So, it's from what is happening to me or what I am seeing. Yeah.
Things to succeed in life, like money, confidence, English. Do you have a point called luck?
Luck is there, but you don't control luck. How can I tell you to work on luck? Luck is there, of course it's there. But these points, जो लोग अपना मेहनत करेगा उसी का ही आएगा. How can I tell you count on luck? Luck by definition means it's out of your control. Luck or destiny or नसीब या जो भी बोलते हैं. So luck is not for you to worry about. Wait for luck to come. Everybody gets lucky sometimes. Sometimes luck is there, sometimes it's not there. But you focus on your own work. That's all. Yeah.
And money is the one point. Do you think that it's just because of this money, the corruption is rising in India?
No, I don't make money, but it's not true that anybody who's making money is corrupt. And that is a very filmy way of looking at things, because in earlier times they used to show all rich people are horrible. But this Bill Gates and this Mark Zuckerberg, who made Microsoft and Facebook, they have made a lot of money and they are not corrupt people. You can have a good life and you can be a good person. In fact, this is what I told Baba this morning. I said, Baba, आपका बहुत अच्छे हैं, आप spiritual हैं, आप संत हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि संत ही देश के लिए सोच सकता है. I can live in a good house, I can drive a nice car, but I can still care for the country. It's okay. And that is what I think youth also wants. Youth doesn't want caring for country means आप संत बन जाए. आप अच्छी लाइफ लीड करिए, अच्छी मेहनत से पैसा कमाइए, और जितना ज़्यादा कमाना है कमाइए. देश सबका पैसा कमाना तो ज़रूरी है. अगर सब पैसा कमाएंगे तभी तो देश अमीर होगा. So there is nothing wrong with it. At least I feel that.
Very rightly said, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Your name, please.
की तरह चिपक जाता है कार्टून जो नेटवर्क
छोटे बच्चे आप भी देखते हैं?
नहीं, मैं नहीं देखता हूँ.
हाँ.
साथ ही अगर उससे थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठ जाए तो उसे फिल्म की दुनिया का काफ़ी मैग्नेट की तरह चिपक जाता है. मुझे लगता है ये सक्सेस काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि स्टूडेंट के लिए. तो फिर ये सक्सेस मैग्नेट क्यों नहीं बनता है? खास तौर पर मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आखिर आप कुछ इस तरह क्या कदम बढ़ाना चाहते हैं जो कि एक बच्चे को मैग्नेट की तरह चिपक ले।
हाँ, क्योंकि देखो ये सारी चीज़ें जो बनी है ये माइंड डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ही बनाई गई है। कभी कभी आदमी का मन होता है कि मेरा माइंड डिस्ट्रैक्ट है, राइट। हम सब थक जाते हैं, हम सब स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं, हमारा ब्रेन चाहता है यार कुछ टाइम पास करें यार, कोई गाना सुन लें या मूवी देख लें, या छोटे बच्चे हैं तो कार्टून, करेक्ट। सो आई फील at least when you're talking of very young kids, then it's the parents' responsibility, right? जब इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं तो like I have very young kids, so the parents have to decide कि okay TV not more than 20 minutes a day or half an hour a day. When we were young तब तो कार्टून आते ही थे, तो बहुत कभी-कभी देखने को मिलता था। अब 24 hours आ रहे हैं, तो आपको the parents have to bring the kids up, and when you get little older, you have to tell yourself. Yeah, there are all the movies are available on the internet. It doesn't mean I keep watching movies all day. What will you achieve? It is meant to be a distraction product. So only use it for your distraction time, not for something all the time. Even reading books, I would say, it sometimes can be distracting if you are not focusing on other important things. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Next
Good
question.
evening, sir. Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. This is Ankita Roy. I'm a student from MBA. And my question is something related to your own statement. I would like to know more that once you said it's okay, bunk a few classes, goof up a few interviews, take leave from work, fall in love. We are people, not programmed devices. Would you like to share it more with me?
Well, I feel that it's coming from my spark speech. I'm saying that everything is okay in life within limits. That's all I'm saying. You don't have to take life very seriously. You don't have to take. We've talked about being successful, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't have fun. That's all I'm trying to say. Keep a balance. Do everything you want to do within limits. Is all I'm going to say. Yeah.
So what more is that?
Today I prefer it. Otherwise, I would have gone to banking back. I prefer doing something I love, and that is my passion, and it is earning me money also, so it's brilliant. But it's not easy. It still means that I have to deliver consistent hits. In my books have to be hits. The pressure is still there. It's not like ki abash hai. It's still there. Huh? Last two questions.
Okay, good evening. Last question. Good evening, sir. Sir, I'm China from GSB. My question is, how you have visualized yourself as a good writer, that you can be a good writer?
I don't understand the question completely, but I think, yeah.
I mean, how you have visualized yourself that you can write and you can be a...
You just have to try it, you just have to try things. It's very, you will keep thinking and dreaming that I will try this one day, but until you try, it's never going to happen. I didn't know I was good or bad until my book came out. When it came out, people said he's good, so I'm happy, but at least I tried.
Good evening, sir.
Last question.
Sure.
So my name is Matsya.
Yeah, we'll do yours also. Wait.
Sir, I'm a literature student. Can I expect your book to be prescribed in my course in the future?
That I wish, but it's up to your vice chancellor and the principal. But even if it's not prescribed, we are going to read it anyway, so I'm okay. And last person with the mic, yeah.
Sir, I wanted to know what was your motto in life. Like you first did BTech and then you came into management and now you are writing books. So basically,
I think I was doing what any Indian student does. First make the parents happy, then make yourself happy.
Very well said, sir. With this, we conclude our open session. Ladies and gentlemen, a great round of applause for Mr. Chetan Bhagat.
New beginnings make new endings with lots of life in between. It's what you... May I please invite our very young... Kindly settle down, guys. The program is not yet over. No autographs, please. Please wait for a while. No autographs, no surroundings. Kindly settle down on your seat. Here, please. Settle down wherever you are. Kindly settle down. No buses are going to be departed once we finish off the program.
Such a simple, inspirational personality was here. So So what should I say? You were great, and you whatever mantra, 5 mantras you have given. I hope all our students, all they have putting it down and they're gonna implement in their life. I am here with all the dignitaries who have taken out time, all the directors of different institutions from Vidya Knowledge Park, and all the participants who have come from all over this UP to Vidya Knowledge Park. They are around, and our most our dear students. Thank you very much for the great audience. You've been great. You've done wonderful time here. Thank you very much.
I have an announcement for you. We have Infinity 2012 coming up in the month of April, and we start.
Great, perfect organization. Perfect, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.